Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Surprise! I changed my hair color. I went back to my roots. It is a little bit more of a red brown down here because I did have a red and I didn't do a permanent hair color. I actually just went and did a neutral toner to kind of get rid of all the red. I kind of just want to grow my hair out and kind of go back to my roots a little bit. So yeah, also I'm not naked, I promise. I'm wearing a tube top. So for today's video, I think I want to do something similar to my nails and my hair clip. I actually didn't realize how well they went together, but I'm excited. I want to do something bright, something colorful. Now that I got darker and more of a neutral hair color, I can definitely play with color on the lips and on the eyes without being too worried that it's going to be a huge contrast. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's get to it. I'm going to go in with the Total Temptation Brow Definer in 305, which is soft brown. I don't know if it's going to be a little too light now for my hair. Just gonna go in and do my normal brow application. And I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer to set my eyelids and kind of clean up around the eyebrows. I'm only going to be cleaning up down here though, nothing up here, because up here I'm going to be using my foundation to give it more of a natural feel, and I'm using a really flat brush to conceal the brows. And I'm going to start with this side. I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is the deeper purple, and I'm going to kind of blend it in. And I'm going to grab a Morphe M403 brush. This is like fluffy but also flat, so it's perfect to kind of bring this color on the outer area. I feel like I want to do something really drastic, but also not quite. Grabbing this color up here, which is more of that plummy color, previous to that purple. It'll kind of blend everything down, and like I said, we just kind of want to grab it and circulate only on the outer areas. Blend out into a lighter, warmer tone. Do you see that blend? What I want to do is take this color right here, which is like a sparkly purple. I actually have never used it, so I'm really excited. I'm just going to grab it with my finger, apply it, and it's like really pretty color. I've never grabbed it. I don't know why. And I'm going to grab it and apply it all over the lid. It's so cute. So now that we have the purple going, I'm going to add the LA Girl Hollow Glam glitter, and I'm just gonna add a tiny bit with my finger. So basically like picking some up and just kind of throwing it on the lid. Not necessarily adding too much, just enough for the purple to kind of still come through, but now we have a little bit of shimmer on there because, as you guys know, I love a glittery eye. And I'm taking the black that comes on here to line my waterline, and I'm going to add just a little bit of the black. and cleaned it up a bit. For the inner lip, I'm going to grab a Real Her liquid lipstick and now to finish up the look, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Confetti. I love this stuff right here. I think it's so pretty. It's definitely just like a unicorny look, but I think it'll be really, really pretty with this right here. And I like to grab it with my finger, kind of warm it up a bit. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Can you guys see that? It's beautiful, and you guys will see how it applies. I like to just kind of dab it on. Ooh, and it's so, so cute. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just super easy. I just like love how everything kind of matches. Alright guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I know I was a little bit inspired by my nails and my little clips, all the purple on my face. I think I'm actually really loving this dark hair. There's not much I can really do with my hair at the moment, so I figured why not just throw on a neutral color and kind of get rid of the red just so my roots can grow in naturally. So to win these goodies, all you have to do is subscribe and like my video. I'll have the rules on how to enter today's giveaway on the description. I really appreciate everyone who likes and watches my videos. That is everything for today. I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.